This is a great addition to any industrial themed living room. These coasters are nuts. They are made from epoxy and stainless steel nuts, and they are really easy to make and easy to sell. I used clear epoxy for this project, but you could always color your epoxy. But with these nuts I thought it would be pretty if you could see the nuts through the clear epoxy. So let me break down the costs of this project and calculate the profit. The mold I used cost me about $8, but it's reusable, so I won't calculate it in the costs. I used 56 grams of epoxy. I buy in bulk and calculated the price to $1. The stainless steel nuts cost me about $3. If you buy these in bulk, they are a lot cheaper. For the holder, I used some scrap wood which otherwise I had thrown away, so they cost me nothing. So long story short, these coasters cost me $4 each to make. I make them in sets of 3 at the moment. So each set cost me $12 to make. I sell these sets for $39 in my online store. So that's a profit of $27 a set sold. Let's say you make 100 of these sets in a day. Your profit will be $2,700. You might say 100 sets of these are pretty hard to make in a day. Well, it's not. It's actually just arranging the nuts and casting the epoxies. So it's done very easy, and they sell like crazy online. You lose them in a couple of days. People are going nuts for these coasters. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell to turn on notifications and get notified whenever I upload new content.